Hi everybody, it's Brian here again at Highton Vet Clinic. In National Desexing Month in July, we're going to have a lot of pets through here getting desexed, so we were trying to touch base with everybody on what is entailed for the surgery for both cats and dogs and male and female. So for male castration in cats, what we try to avoid is unwanted pregnancies, obviously. So male cats tend to roam very far and go looking for a mate, and they can sort of make a lot of kittens, particularly in the springtime. So we want unwanted pregnancies to decrease. I think there's something like 2,000 plus cats looking for a home in the greater Geelong area every year. So you really could reduce those numbers by a simple procedure like a castration. Also, male cats tend to fight a lot, so they pass a few diseases between each other, fighting and biting each other, so we can avoid that as well. And also, they tend to mark a lot, so unwanted urination and spraying and everything is greatly decreased when you neuter them early. We try and neuter them after they're done with their vaccines, and somewhere around 20 to 23 weeks would be the perfect age to neuter a little kitten. So the surgery itself, it's a fairly quick one as far as all the surgeries go. It's 2 little incisions in the scrotum. The testicles are removed completely. In the male cats, the way the anatomy is, we don't actually close those incisions or put any stitches in them. So they just have 2 little incisions. They heal up very quickly within 2 or 3 days, unless the cat decides to start licking at it excessively. If that's the case, you will be sent home with one of these, but if you see them licking at all, they have to wear it in the time that's healing, particularly in the first few days. We monitor them very closely under anesthetic, have an IV catheter, we check blood pressure, ECG, pulse oximetry, oxygen, everything. So even though it's a quick procedure, they're in and out very quickly, we do want to be very safe, so we monitor equally as much as some of the longer procedures like a female dog spay. So that's the castration of male cats. If you have any questions, you can please let us know at drop-off or pickup. Thanks.